Joke lang. Shopee. Mamaya ka na. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano kayo pwedeng mag-start ng YouTube channel and how to grow it. So if you want to see, just keep on watching. Now, before we do start, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And please do follow me on my social media accounts. Ayan. Alright, so let's start. Sa video na to, medyo magiging mahaba siya kasi medyo madami tayong mga tips na i-share sa inyo. So, please do grab a snack and feel comfortable while watching this. Okay, so, una sa lahat, I want to really thank you from the bottom of my heart for always supporting me and for clicking this video. Okay, alam ko kung bakit ka nandito. It's either gusto mo talaga mag-start na YouTube channel or hindi na ka lang para supportahan ako. Yay, thank you! Okay, but if you are here kasi gusto mo mag-start ng YouTube channel at hindi mo alam kung paano at saan ka ba talaga magsisimula, well, this is the sign that God has given you. Okay? Pag-uusapan natin yung mga dapat mong malaman bago ka mag-start. Kasi ito yung mga bagay na hindi ko nalaman. Tsaka ko lang siya natutunan nung kalagitnaan na ako. Siguro mga 4 months na akong nag-YouTube. So, pag nagsisimula ka pa lang talaga, it will really be a trial and error process. So, una sa lahat, of course, you really need to set up a YouTube channel. So, kung nandito ka para about sa setting up the YouTube channel, hindi ko siya i-discuss. Okay, so ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga kailangan nyo malaman. Okay, so number 1 is just start. Okay? Simulan mo na. Alam ko na ang daming doubts sa utak mo ngayon. Ang daming tanong na parang, hindi ko kaya, o kaya parang, hindi ko alam kung anong una kong lalagay na content or may manonood kaya sa akin. You know, hindi mo malalaman ang sagot kung hindi mo gagawin. Okay? So, I'm here for you and just, you know, kung nagsimula ka, just put your link down and ako mismo ang magsusupport sa'yo. Kasi naniniwala ako kapag may isang naniniwala na agad sa'yo, it will follow. Okay? Just start your YouTube channel, do the video that you want, and hindi mo naman siya kailangan talagang paghandaan ng bonggang-bongga, kailangan mamahalin yung equipment mo, may lighting ka, may backdrop ka. Kung titignan nyo yung mga videos ko dati, wala, sobrang ibang-iba sa personality ko ngayon, sa kung ano pinapakita ko sa inyo. Dahil nung time na yun, I just felt that I needed to start. So that was nung November 2019 pa. So I've already been here on YouTube ng ilan months na ba? December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 8 months. But ayun nga sinasabi ko, your first video will always be the ugliest or cringiest one. Okay? And it's okay. It's okay to be awkward. It's okay na sobrang hina ng boses mo kasi it's, kumbaga, this is new to you. But gusto mo siyang gawin. Now, gagawin mo siya dahil gusto mo. Ay, hindi dahil sa peer pressure na, gawin mo na, sige. Ang init talaga. Nakikita niyo ba yung pawis ko? So, ayun na nga. Just start. Okay. Number 2 is sa equipment naman. Now, I first started my first YouTube video, which is this one. Ayun na nga, sobrang awkward ko dyan sa video na yan. But I first started just using my phone. So, yung quality niya, medyo grainy. Pero okay na din. Ako lang talaga may problema. I started putting up videos just using my phone. Siguro yung mga first 4 videos, phone na yun talaga yung gamit. You don't need any mamahalin na equipment para lang magsimula. Hindi mo kailangan na lighting. Okay, kasi katulad nga ngayon, I'm using daylight para lang maganda ang itsura. Pero I have my ring light, pero hindi ko siya ginagamit. And next, doon naman tayo sa pag-promote ng iyong videos. Okay, so syempre, bago mo naman sabihin sa mga tao na, hey guys, subscribe to my channel, people will not subscribe to you kapag wala pa silang napapanood. Most likely, Of course, your friends and family will subscribe to you. But your friends on Facebook that you don't really know, they won't subscribe and they won't support you kasi wala pa nga sila nakikitang content. Bakit kita isa-subscribe? Diba? Whatever makes you feel confident or yung okay ka, yun ang i-post mo. And so, which leads us to the next tip, find your niche. Okay, when we say niche, ano ba ang audience at ano yung content na aim mo or yung target mo? Okay? So sa akin, it took me, I think, nalaman ko lang yung niche ko nitong buwan lang. And already July. The last month, nalaman ko yung niche ko na my audience is more on girls with the age na ganito, ganyan. So we all know that YouTube is a very saturated platform and napakadami ng tao dyan. Okay. But will that be the reason why you will not start? Hindi dapat. So kahit sobrang dami na nagme-makeup videos dyan, kung passion mo talaga yan, then do it. Because people will click on you, people will subscribe to you because of your personality, because they want you. They want to watch you. They want you, ano yun? The voice. Joke lang. Shopee. Mamaya ka na. Okay. Anyway, yun nga sinasabi ko. Just be yourself. Now, kung makikita mo sa channel ko, samot-sari siya. Nilagay ko na dun sa banner ko sa taas. Lifestyle, beauty, travel, and fitness. 4 na niches ang makikita nyo sa YouTube ko, supposedly. Pagdating naman sa lifestyle, yan yung mga cooking, ganyan, yung mga tips and tricks na how to, ganyan, yan, lifestyle yun. Beauty is, of course, yung mga makeup, yung mga skincare, ganyan. Travel, of course, traveling, and then fitness is, of course, anything about fitness. Okay, so, hindi naman kailangan maging fitness guru ka, maging expert ka sa isang bagay. If you want to tell people about something, then use your voice, diba? Another thing is, people will only watch you kung nakakakita sila ng valuable content. When we say valuable content, may matututunan sila. It's either they get informed, educated, or entertained. Yun lang yun. Next is, once you've established your niche, now let's go to the engagement. Okay, so sa engagement naman, you should always post it and promote it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, joke lang. Yung mga social media platforms na yan, na meron kang friends and family and other friends na acquaintances mo lang, na makakakita ng content na yun. So as for me, I use Instagram as my, kumbaga, it's my business card. I have brands, I have friends, followers na na hindi ko talaga kilala, personally. Kasi sa Facebook, yan yung mga close friends ko, yan yung mga, you know, may mutual friends na 10, ganyan. Pero tinuturing ko na silang family for me kasi they are already my supporters. Kapag magpo-post ka sa Instagram, yun yung mga stories mo na posted, a new video, put it on your story, link in bio, yung mga ganyan. Sa Facebook naman, maglagay ka ng isang trailer. Hala, pawis na ako. So, nakita niyo na kung gano'ng kainit dito. Kasi maingay yung electric fan. Hindi naman ako naka-aircon, so anyway. So, ayun. Now, let's talk about songs naman na pwede mong gamitin sa background or sa YouTube mo. So, kung mapapansin nyo sa mga previous videos ko, may mga times dyan na paiba-iba ako na intro. Kasi yun kaya yung time na nagja-trial and error ba ako. And ang pagkakamali ko dun sa isa kong intro, may royalty pala tong kanta. Itong singer na to, nung discover ko siya, hindi pa siya sikat. As in, yung views niya, thousands lang. Pero ang ganda ng beat. Pero, fast forward ng ilang buwan, sumikat kasi yung kanta niya sa TikTok. Ayan na, sumikat na. Binalikan ko yung kanta, naging millions of views na. And hindi kasi siya copyrighted. Pag kumuha ka kasi ng kanta na hindi siya naka-copyright, hindi siya magiging monetized. And also, minsan may mga singers na very masela na ayaw nilang ilalabas mo. Papatanggal ng YouTube yung video na yun. Madali lang naman makakita ng mga copyrighted songs. Search ka lang ng aesthetic, copyrighted music. Ayan. Doon talaga ako nagtitingin. Pero ngayon kasi, as much as possible, hindi na ako gumagamit ng background music at all. Kasi nga, baka nga ma-copyright. So, ayun. Naghanap ako ng kanta for my intro na 10 seconds lang. Okay, kasi kapag ang kanta more than 10 seconds yan, automatic, it will be banned or madedetect na agad ng YouTube yan. Mabilis lang makadetect ng mga ganyan-ganyan. Moving on to monetization. Nabanggit ko nga na pag hindi naka-copyright yung kanta, pwedeng makita ng may-ari at sa kanya mapunta yung revenue ng videos mo. Let's say, nag-dance cover ka ng Twice. Ayun na, na-addict na naman ako sa Twice. Okay, so let's say, nag-cover ka ng kanta ng Twice. Okay, and buong kanta talaga ang nilagay mo dyan. And umabot ng millions of views. Tapos pag in-upload mo yan, magiging restricted ang lalabas dun sa yung analytics. So yun na nga, which leads us to monetization. Para mag-start kang kumita sa YouTube, hindi yan agad-agad. Kailangan mo ng 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So what does that mean? You need to be consistent sa pagpo-post ng videos mo. Kailangan maging valuable content para i-subscribe ka ng mga tao at paulit-ulit na lang i-view or i-recommend ka nila. Ayun. So, most likely, may isa kang video dyan sa mga YouTube video sa lahat-lahat ng magbo-boom. Continue to discover your niche and continue to do what you want. If you put your heart into it, magiging successful siya. Okay? So, huwag ka lang titigil. When I first started on my YouTube channel nung November 2019, sobrang doubtful ko nung time na yun na parang, ano ba, gusto ko talagang mag-start ng YouTube channel pero hindi ko alam kung paano and ano at may manonood ba sa akin. Way back 2017, gusto ko na talaga mag-start ng YouTube channel. And ngayon, na-discover ko na sila yung biggest YouTubers nowadays like Ray Hermar, Angel Day, Ray Velasco. They started exactly no 2017. So what does that mean? Sana pala sinimulan ko siya. The reason why I started my YouTube channel is because I just want to be able to share what I know, to be able to give and inspire people. Hindi ko na alam na nakaka-inspire pala ako sa ibang tao. It means a lot sa akin kasi dati na nagsastart ako, bago pa yan magka 100 views, aabot yan ng ilang weeks or ilang buwan. Ngayon, looking at my videos, almost lahat ng videos ko aabot na ng 1,000 views and I really want to thank you for that, for always supporting me, always watching my videos. Ayun, nakakataba ng puso kasi every time na nag-check ako ng mga DMs ko sa Facebook and sa Instagram, lagi na lang meron sweet messages from my supporters na I get to inspire them, parang lang daw ako nakikipag-usap sa kanila personally. So, what does that mean? You will never know what impact you can give to others. Hindi mo talaga malalaman yan kung hindi mo siya susubukan. And ito yun eh, sobrang dami ng YouTuber, yes, that's given. But ano ba ang pwede mong iambag? What makes you different? Always remember that it's baby steps talaga siya. Hindi siya, kumbaga, expected mo na bukas 1 million views na agad or hundreds and thousands of views na agad yan. No, it will not be like that. Your first 1,000 subscribers will be really difficult to get. Totoo yan. Pero ano ba, bakit mo ba siya ginagawa? Always think about your why. Bakit nga ba ako nagsimula? Para saan nga ba ako gumagawa ng ganito? Don't ever let other people say that hindi ka worth panoorin. Kasi you will always have criticisms, yung mga ganyan. So another thing that I want to share to you, you must also be open to criticism. Always have room for improvement and huwag kang mag-rely lang sa alam mo. So once na pinanood na friends and family mo yung first YouTube video mo or first few videos mo at medyo may nakita silang mga Pam, medyo ano to, medyo pangit yung ganito, medyo ganyan. Be open to criticism at ayusin mo yun. Kasi doon ka talagang mag-i-improve at mag-grow sa criticisms talaga. And another thing is always stay humble. As much as possible, wag po lalaki ang ulo. Lagi niyo tatandaan na hindi porket meron ka ng sponsorships, meron ka ng mga 1,000 subscribers or thousands of views, lalaki na yung ulo natin. Kasi there will always be someone better than us. Lagi niyo tatandaan niyo. Always engage with the people. Love the people who support you and who also hate you. Okay. Ayun lang naman. Hopefully, nasabi ko lahat. And yeah. So, medyo naging seryoso tong vlog natin kasi, ewan, I just wanted to put it out there. Ang init na talaga. Kita nyo ba yung pawis ko? So, hinahabol ko kasi yung araw. Ayun, I'm almost finished. So, thank you so much for watching my video for today. I hope you did enjoy and marami kayong natutunan. Medyo mabilis ako magsalita kasi malilubot na yun. Anyways, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so you'll be notified and put a like here. And also, please do comment down below what else you want to see and please do follow me on my social media accounts. So, that is all for today and thank you so much because we are almost at 1,000 subscribers. I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the love and support. If I could only hug you guys. Okay, so thank you so much and I will see you on my next one. Bye!